Before we get going too far on new videos, I need to catch up with where we are on the 2004 ZX6R. But it's wintertime, so it's cold, so it's a perfect time to do that. Check it out. just in case you're wondering what I painted it with, is I started out with the self-etching primer, obviously, after I sanded down the frame, lightly sanded it down. Came back through with the regular automotive primer. And then, to make it all special, something I've seen, actually haven't seen before, but I wanted to try, was Rust-oleum's aluminum wheel paint. I figured if it works for aluminum wheels, it should work for an aluminum frame. And it did. And then I reached out to Rust-oleum and said, what do I put on for a clear coat on that? And they told me that any of their Stops Rust, as long as it has the Stops Rust logo right there, that's all you need. And it's compatible with the wheel paint because it's also the Stops Rust formula. So that's what I used to paint the frame with. And I'm glad I did because I wanted it to be able to be fixed if something were to go wrong. And when I say fixed, if something were to go wrong, what I mean by that is that if something were to spill on it, i.e. paint, or if it got scratched at a track or wherever, I wanted to be able to resolve it easily. And with this paint, it's not the strongest paint in the world, I will tell you that. A little bit of gasoline on it, and it will pretty much come off. However, because it's simple and it's available anywhere, it's easy to solve. Here's a little clip right here that I have where I actually spilled some gasoline on it, and you can see where I was able to go through and sand it down, clean it up, throw another coat of paint on top of it, unmask it, and it looks as good as new. That's why I use that paint. So very pleased with the outcome of that. I hope your results are the same as mine, and just take your time and remember, it's all in the prep work. Any monkey can paint, it's all prep work. Okay. So now everybody's caught up with where we are on the 2004 ZX6R. There's still plenty of work to do on it, plenty of projects. As with any project, it's never completed. There's always new stuff to add to it. So we'll be rolling new video for that all year long. And we've got another project, which you may have seen sitting behind it in some of the other photos. That is the 2006 ZX6R, which we've got to do some work on it too. So stay tuned. I'll put videos out whenever I do. I'm not going to do it on any kind of a regular schedule, but I'll keep some content flowing. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.